Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. This is the last part of the first lecture. Now we will continue the next subtopic in concentration unit. So we have discussed molarity and molarity in the previous lesson. So now we will continue with percentage by mass, percentage by volume and mole fraction. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to define the following concentration measurements, which are mole fraction, percentage by mass and percentage by volume. For percentage by mass, the definition here is percentage of mass of solute per mass of solution. And the formula is mass of solute divide with mass of solution multiply with 100. The unit here is percentage, and please keep in mind that mass of solution is equal to mass of solute plus mass of solvent. This is a situation in lab where we can find percentage by mass. First, place a beaker on a weighing scale, then add 10 grams of sucrose. Then add water until the mass of solution inside the beaker reaches 100 grams. So now we can calculate the percentage by mass of the solution. So just insert the mass of solute and divide with the mass of solution multiply with 100. So the answer here is 10%. Now let's learn how to calculate percentage by volume. So percentage by volume is the percentage of volume of solute per volume of solution. The formula is volume of solute in unit mole over the volume of solution in unit mole times 100. The unit here is percentage. This is a very important highlight to solve percentage by volume question, where the density of solution is mass per volume of solution. This is a situation in lab where we can find the percentage by volume. First, pipette 25 ml of ethanol into a volumetric flask. So we can see that the size of this volumetric flask is 250 ml. Then add water until the graduated line. So this is the graduated line. When water reaches the graduated line, it means that the volume of the solution inside the flask is now 250 ml. So water is the solvent in this situation. So the total volume now is 250 ml. So to find the percentage by volume, we need the volume of solute per volume of solution times 100. So the volume of solute here is 25 ml. Divide with the volume of solution, which is 250 ml. Times 100. So the answer here is 10%. And the last one is mole fraction. So mole fraction is the ratio of number of moles of one component to the total number of moles of all components present. This is the formula for mole fraction. XA equals to NA over N total. So in this case, A can be solute or solvent. It means that we can find the mole fraction of solute or the mole fraction of solvent. There is no unit for mole fraction. So the total mole fraction in a mixture is equal to 1. Now let's look at this example. Calculate the mole fraction of urea in a solution by dissolving 4.45 mole of urea in 13.9 gram mole of water. So urea is the solute and water is the solvent. So in this case, A is referring to urea. So to find the mole fraction, XA equals to NA over N total. So the number of mole for urea in this question is 4.4 mole. Divide with the mole total. So mole total is the number of mole of urea plus the number of mole of water. So the answer here is 0.243. So that's all for part 5. Thank you for your attention.